Let me show you how to easily lay down your natural kinky edges on a synthetic wig. If you want to see how I do it, keep on watching. What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Carrie M. For those of you who are new, welcome, and welcome back to everybody who's been here before. Hopefully you love this video enough to go ahead and give it a like, and definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. So let's go and get it popping. So I'm going to be using 2 wigs for this technique. Both of them are going to be from the Sensationnel Kinky Edges line, and the 2 units I'm going to be using is this one, which is the 13x6 Kinky Curly 18, and then the 13x6 Kinky Bob 14-inch. Okay, so basically these are going to be kinky edges on a synthetic wig. It's a textured lace wig. You do get 13x6, so you can part it within that area, so it could be a middle part, side part, whatever you want to do. It can take heat up to 350 to 400. So again, this is from the Curls, Kinks, and Co line. It's given very natural. You can wear it glueless, as it says on the stock card, which I'm going to do because I feel like this unit, you don't even need to glue it down. It's going to look super natural without having to do all of the extra work, y'all. They do come in some specialty colors, so if you are into that, and I'll also do that, they do have a variety of gray as well, so that's super dope. So this is the Kinky Curly 18 inches. First of all, y'all, it's very voluminous. Like, the curls are juicy and it's bouncing. Your girl didn't even do nothing yet. So I'm super excited about this one. This one going to swell up, but I must say it is super lightweight. It doesn't have a lot of weight to it at all, so that is dope. And then the kinky edges, y'all. Okay, kinky edges is really giving. It's really giving. This is a Kinky Bob 14. This one is definitely giving. I think it's gonna be my favorite. It's giving nice sleek. We have a nice clean blunt cut towards the bottom of it with a slight bump, which ain't bad, y'all. And again, the kinky edges looking real good, real natural. As far as the cap construction, it's the same, okay, across them both. It has the 13x6 on the inside. You do get 2 combs up in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. So the products that we're going to be using is going to be some mousse. You're going to need some foam or some mousse to help lay down these natural edges, y'all. This is some mousse that I picked up from Dollar Tree for $1.25. It does what it's supposed to do, so I kept using it, okay? And then I'm going to be using this edge brush, mainly this side. The comb is not really of use, and possibly, depending on how long the edges are, you may need some scissors, but that's literally it for this process. This is what the wig looks like after I cut the lace off. I did tint it, but I wanted y'all to see how the kinky edges looked. It does look nice and kinky, but it is a little bit untamed. It's a little bit unruly. So that is the point of me doing what I'm going to be doing, to show you how to get it to look real nice. This one doesn't look too bad on the straight unit, but I'm still going to fix everything just so it doesn't look so wiggy in the front. For this, you're just going to add your foam or your mousse, and you're going to take your edge brush and you're going to play with the edges. What I like to do is split the edges in half. I like to swoop some towards the back and some towards the front. The ones that I swoop towards the front, not swoop, but brush a little bit towards the front, is going to cover the front of the lace. The hair that I brush back is going to kind of blend into the wig and the lace, so it looks natural and you won't be able to tell that you're wearing a wig, basically. So don't think too hard about this. Yes, it's very simple, but I decided to still show y'all because I think some people overthink how to do the kinky edges, but it's so simple. Just add the mousse, swoop half of it to the front, half of it to the back, and then you're gonna just tie it down a little bit and let it settle. Once you take it off, it may look a little flat, but all you have to do is just take your fingers and just kind of play with it, and it will settle really nice.
She blowing my high, gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah.
That's literally all I do to get the natural kinky edges to look cute. What I'm doing now is just kind of taming some of the volume because the hair is very full. I really don't want it that swole, so I did put some of the mousse in it just to kind of get it a little bit flat, if that makes sense. And then I did take some scissors and just cut away the pieces that just didn't look all that cute.
Like a past life. Can't believe I saved your heart to break mine. You could see I shifted shape to fit yours. Can't forget I made the move to move on.
This unit is also very full, okay? The hair is huge. If you love huge hair, you're going to absolutely love it. I know some girls who wear big hair all year round, even in the summer, but you can see the difference on this side. So I did it on the other side. I literally just used my blow dryer and just raked through the hair to get it a little bit thinner in volume because it was just too big for your girl.
This was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over. Hold me on a new vibe.
Quick before and after how it looks without makeup. Gorgeous. Super different from how it looked before I started, y'all. And I want to give you a little backed up look so you can just see how natural it looks without makeup. This is the type of wig you wear every day with or without makeup because it looks like it's growing out of your scalp. Those simple steps that I showed y'all is literally all you have to do to get this natural looking wig. Don't overthink how to do the kinky edges. Trust me. Don't put no heat to it. Don't put that heat on it, girl, because you're going to ruin it. Just do exactly what I told you. It's going to come out perfectly perfect just like this.
You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this popping like, woo, big moves. My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, woo. Who said they looking for me?
This hair is very beautiful. Of course, it's glueless. The texture is gorgeous. Love it. Blunt cut. Looks good in the back. Just a beautiful unit all together. I'm absolutely in love with how it looks. You can do some really cute styles with it. I actually ended up wearing this wig this day to go to my little cousin's graduation, and I was playing with it to see what kind of styles I wanted to do, what would look cute and stuff like that. And it was blazing outside, so I didn't really want the hair just sitting all on my shoulders. I ended up going with this very last look here. This is the one I went with. So cute. Got it clipped up in the back. And this is what the curly unit looks like with the makeup on. Absolutely gorgeous. The natural edges is giving. Absolutely in love. Y'all, Kinky Edges wigs on a synthetic unit is just the bomb. It's just the vibe. This one does really cute styles as well. You can try some different things if you don't want it too full on your shoulders. But I'm going to let you continue to take in the wig, and then I'm going to give you a brief review shortly.
Time we switching positions. Now you under my submission like, woo, my rules.
All right, y'all, so let me go ahead and give y'all a brief review on these units. Okay, now first of all, I'm gonna start off with the Kinky Bob 14-inch. Well, actually, let me just do both. There are some slight differences between the both of them, but for the most part, pretty similar. So for both of them, they fit exactly the same. I am gonna say it is big head friendly. It'll fit you. I could move it up if I wanted to, but it would just result in me moving this up more, but my forehead is too small for all of that, so I'm gonna leave it as is. It does have space in it. It is comfortable. Okay, both units are very full units. So this is very plump, very full and plump. I had an idea to take a razor comb and go on the inside and kind of thin it out a bit, but I decided to leave it alone because I didn't want to put too much work into the unit, considering it's supposed to be an easy install. Now the curly wig, of course, is very swole up as well. Y'all already saw that. Huge hair. Okay, so again, for those of you who don't like something huge, you may have to go and thin it out, but some people actually love the thick full curls even in the summertime, so that might not be a problem for some people. Now y'all already know, we already addressed this, the lace was light on both of them, but of course I do have a video if you want to see exactly how I tinted to match your skin for it to go well with or without makeup. Check it out. Again, is linked below. The texture on both is really nice. The hair is really soft. I love the nice kinks in this, and of course I love the bouncy juicy curls in the other one, but both of them are really soft. I was getting a little bit of tangles towards the ends on these, of course, because it's a blunt cut. The curly unit, not at all, because I barely even ran my hands through it just to eliminate frizzing it up too much and making it more swole. Shedding, not an issue. I would say both of them are hot. I mean, it goes with the volume of the unit. I already expressed that. They are lightweight though. They don't feel heavy, but girl, I am hot. Okay, I'm hot. Now, for the important feature, I must mention it. I must bring it up. Okay, I absolutely love Kinky Edges on units. And when I got my hands on the first one, the body wave unit that I did review from Sensational, I loved it. Okay, everything about the unit was perfect, from the style of the curls down to the kinky edges, which was the main feature of the unit, because the kinky edges on that particular unit I felt like was just laid out perfectly. I didn't have to do anything to it but just play around it in a little bit. I feel like the length was perfect, the density of the kinky edges was perfect, the kinks on it, everything was perfect, and it was super beginner friendly. When it comes to these two new units that I just tried out, it feels to me like the kinky edges is a little bit thinner than it was on the other unit that I did. I feel like it's less hair up in that area on the kinky edges, which in the case of being able to kind of hide the lace, wear it glueless, with it just being like seamless and just blending into your skin and just making it look like it's coming out your scalp, was really helpful with the amount of hairs that were in the unit. I feel like these are a little bit thinner. I feel like I had to really play with the hair a whole lot more to kind of hide the line of demarcation. I feel like with the other unit, it was so much that I was able to put towards the front to kind of cover the lace while still having some going backwards to cover the lace right before the hairline as well. So with these, it feels like it's a little bit thinner on the kinky edges part of things. Okay, all in all, the idea of having the kinky edges on the wig is still really dope, because it is going to help disguise the lace, especially for my girls who don't want to do no melting down glueless. And when I say glueless, I mean no lace spray, no gel, none of that. Okay, so that is all. I've been talking for a minute. I'm gonna wrap this up. It was fun, it was cool. I'm hot though. I'm gonna crank that AC and cool off, y'all. It's about to be a heat wave, but I'll see y'all in another video later.